Using Google Docs, you can search and replace a single word or replace a word every time it is used in a document. Go to Google Docs on your browser and open the document in which you want to find and replace a word. If you want to simply search a word, press Ctrl+F to open the search box. For example, if you want to search for the state ID NV, type NV on the search box. Once you start typing, all the matching words will be highlighted. To see where the word is used in the document, tap the up or down arrow next to the Find box. If you want to replace a word, go to the Edit menu and click Find and Replace. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl+H on Windows or Command+Shift+H on Mac to open Find and Replace. Type the word you want to find. For example, if you want to search for state ID NV, and replace it with the full state name Nevada in this document, type NV in the Find box. Type Nevada in the Replace box. Use the Previous or Next button to go to each occurrence of the word. You can replace each occurrence of the word individually with Replace, or Replace All to replace every time it's used in the document. In the browser version of Google Docs, Find and Replace hides the document, so you can't see where the word is in the document when you click Previous or Next. In the Google Docs mobile app, you can see the word highlighted when you use the Find and Replace option. Now you can see all the occurrences of the word NV replaced with Nevada. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.